Hi guys, welcome back again. Uh, we'll start off from the point where we learned how to add date filters so that we can do some more comprehensive analysis. Uh, okay, so the problem is that we want this filter or slicer, to be more precise, to only control the chart here and this one to control the chart here. How do we do it? Okay, so there is something new that we'll learn today. We'll click on the date slicer and we- go on the top bar here and you'll see format. Click on that, and another option is edit interactions. Activate that. Once you do that, what it will show you is these little icons on each of the charts. Uh, so, what does that mean? So I have clicked this slicer. There are two icons. One is a mini visualization, which is called filter, and the other is none. Essentially, what it means is if I click on none, that means that this slicer will not filter this chart. Okay, but I want this to control chart one. So I'll click on filter. So okay, so if one of the icons is darker, that means that's activated. um, Now I'll control this with the second chart. So what I want to do is click on this and make sure it does not filter chart 2. So I click on none. All right, similarly the other way around, I click on this slicer and yeah, this is correct. Chart 2 should be filter, which is the black icon, but this should not filter chart 1. So I click on none. Okay, so let's test it out what we did. um, I will change it to, let's say, okay, so only this chart, and for the chart below, let's say I will do a random date at the moment. There you go. So now you have ability to control the chart above separately as compared to chart 2 below. We will understand its power in the next few series, video series, like how you can do analysis more in a more comprehensive manner. Uh, but that's all. I think this is a very useful technique. How do you control interactions between slices and between visualizations? It can lead to really, really strong analysis, dashboards, and visualization. Thanks, guys. See how you go with this, and if you have a project, you can apply these learnings there. Thanks again. Bye.